Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining. Before we dive in, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. And please check out the link you see on your screen for a message from our sponsor, The Motley Fool, where you can get the top 10 stocks to buy right now. All right, so on your screen, you see four of the more speculative stocks in my entire stock portfolio. These are stocks that I generally own a pretty small investment in. I think the four combined make up less than 2% of my portfolio. So let's go through these one at a time. These are stocks that, even though I own small positions, I think they have enough potential. They could be big wins if they can get things right. Redfin is the one that I've added the most recently. I've added to it a few times in the past month or so. They're known as the real estate brokerage. A lot of companies are kind of tech-focused real estate brokerages that aim to incorporate all kinds of cool features and virtual tours and touchless technology into their platform. Redfin's the only one that really wants to compete on price. They offer, half the selling commissions that most agents do. They also offer mortgage services, title services. They aim to offer kind of a full range of services. They've been losing money a lot, but that is also because of their iBuying business. They recently got out of the iBuying business, announcing they were going to wind down Redfin now. So I'm curious to see what they can do with just a focus on that brokerage business and related services. Pretty small market cap, just over $600 million right now. At one point, it was about a $10 billion company. So it's come down quite a bit because the market just really soured on real estate and iBuying in particular. But if Redfin can turn things around, especially in their core business, I think it could be a big win from here. Fastly is one of the worst performing stocks in my portfolio. As the name implies, they want to help the internet run faster. They aim to provide the infrastructure that lets websites handle all the traffic. If you've ever been trying to buy concert tickets and you get stuck in a queue online forever and ever and ever, that's a problem that Fastly wants to solve. When a big news story breaks and the news outlets put up a story that's viewed by millions of people, they can't crash. So Fastly wants to help that run more efficiently. The growth has been sluggish, to put it mildly, and disappointing. A little over $1 billion market cap. It's come down so much that I'm going to hang on for the time being and see if the new management can execute a little bit better. And there is Lemonade. Lemonade is the insurance disruptor. They aim to essentially transform the entire insurance industry. And the whole process of buying insurance and especially of making claims are clunky at best. So Lemonade specializes in renters insurance, homeowners insurance, pet insurance. They're just starting to roll out auto insurance, which is by far their most promising product yet. And if they can replicate the success they've had with the other kinds of insurance with auto, this could be a home run. They have almost as much cash on their balance sheet as that $1 billion market cap. And it's a really interesting business if they can execute, which is a big if. I think this could be a big winner. And finally, Amwell, AMWL, they're a telehealth business. Most people know Teladoc. It's a similar business model, a telehealth business that aims to connect patients and physicians. I think the industry over-evolved during the COVID pandemic, and that's being reflected in the stock prices now. Some of the growth is pulling back, but that's not actually the right market cap. It's a much smaller company than that. But Amwell is one that I have a small position in that I'm holding in watching. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to click subscribe if you don't subscribe to my channel already. And as always, this video is sponsored by The Motley Fool. Be sure to visit www.fool.com/Frankel to receive the top 10 best stocks to buy now.